Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error XML. If Outlook is showing an XML-related error and won't open correctly, a common cause is a problem with the navigation pane settings. In this guide, we'll walk through a quick reset that often resolves the issue in just a moment. To begin, make sure you are on your Windows desktop. This gives you a clear starting point and makes it easier to access the built-in run command. If Outlook is currently open or frozen, it's a good idea to close it before continuing so the reset can work properly. Once you're on the desktop, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a simple Windows tool that lets you launch programs and commands directly. You should see a small input window appear on your screen. In that Run box, type the following command exactly as shown: Outlook XE / reset nav pane. The space between Outlook XE and the slash is important, so be sure not to leave that out. This command tells Outlook to start while resetting the navigation pane settings, which can fix certain startup and XML errors caused by corrupted interface configuration files. If it's easier, you can simply copy the command shown on screen and paste it into the Run box. That can help avoid typing mistakes, especially with the slash and spacing. Small errors in the command may prevent it from working, so take an extra second to double check it before moving on. After entering the command, press Enter or click OK. Outlook should begin opening, and if the issue was related to the navigation pane, the XML error may now be resolved. The first launch might take a moment longer than usual, so give it a few seconds to complete. If Outlook opens successfully, that means the reset worked. You may notice that some navigation pane customizations, such as folder layout or pane preferences, return to their default state. That's normal, since this process is specifically designed to clear out corrupted pane settings. That's all you need to do for this fix. This is one of the fastest and most effective first steps for resolving Outlook XML startup errors on Windows. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you get Outlook running normally again.